All right, my people, now welcome back onto this channel. My brother, my sister, no be small something they happen like this, onto the matter of this man where then they call Iba Gani Adams and Chief Sunday Igboho. Yes, so and now everybody don't come outside. They say, this man finally should be now. They don't drag you go Kootu and Kootu. If you hear the judgment, we be say Kootu people give this man where then they call Iba Gani Adams. In fact, everybody done they shout am say this man. If una see as this man come dey sweat inside AC. My brother, my sister, now the news where they reach us be that too, and the many tori dey under we be say I go the yarn now. Yes, so on to this one. Now the people don't come outside, they don't say, Baba Iba Gani Adams say, she be then they tell you, since make you come outside, make you go beggy. Oloye Chief Dr. Sunday Igboho, you no one go beg the man now. Maybe by now, sef, the matter for don't die. But now, water don't pass Gary. The matter don't pass, be careful. Now, everybody don't come outside say, now, waiting you won't can do. Because a big judgment don't they on ground for this man, where then they call it Iba Gani Adams. Shebi we don't they call the attention of Iba Gani Adams, make him wake up. Loni sure tete loni waran sesa kolo tete the Chief Oloye Dr. Sunday Igboho Osha, but like play he done the happen. Ironi utoni now the thing done the happen. Yes, so now who be that person wey be say you go call Barau make you check am. As far as this country be, in fact, this life will be even for the man, the person no get money. Now will be that person where you go call the barawo, where in no go be no color. And now will be that person where be say you go call the only oyoshi, where him no go be no woju eniyan. Now who then go call the akpaniyan ti ko ni binu faraya. Now they even they talk say before even the Chief Sunday Igboho where they call it this plenty name. Don't say ain't no one even drag the matter go anywhere. Say me the 10 just die that. All of na know waiting Chief Sunday Igboho stand for. This man a man we be say he no even get time at all. He go just say I beg you make una leave that person. Yeah, the person no know waiting him they do, but make una come see waiting on the app now. Iba Gani Adams, don't forget to say this man whether they call you Sunday Igboho, he get plenty people wey be say they love him. Plenty people wey be say they feel buy anybody because of him. And don't forget to say all him followers then they everywhere. People they say shebi we don't tell this man if I don't come outside the sense maybe by now the matter go don't die. But in no come outside in the shori kunkun, but making a come see waiting on the happen like this. Alright, so and then onto this level many things still they happen and many people don't they talk say well if now so it won't be the matter don't they court. The matter done they caught. And now, because now they don't carry Iba Gani Adams to court. In fact, the man now, according to the news where they reach us, the man they regret to say why him never come outside the sense before now. No be small something, no. Now so he do, now so he be my brother, my sister. Now we go hear that kind thing. Say I won't carry you go court. Way in mind no go shake it. Most especially if that person na ex-convict. Now what I go? So now everybody don't come outside. They don't they talk this matter. Say as it don't be so. Make it everybody go they prepare himself to come hear the judgment where they won't give this man. So there's some people come dey let us dey understand say this Iba Gani Adams of a person say on a very good day the man for not even one come outside to dey drag Chief Sunday Igboho. They say even if na for only Iba Gani Adams, all those things wey in talk. Some people say no, say the man like to dey talk. Say all those things wey this man no talk. Say if he be say na say make person just talking, na he just talk. But the people wey be say dem dey with am, they call him boys. According to the news wey dey reach us, so they say those people wey be say dem be boys wey dey with am. Say na some of them. Now then they push the man. Them push the man so them push am. Say na lie who be Sunday Igboho. I beg you for this Igboro aye who be Sunday Igboho. Now those people push am so they can't push am pass in the motor. You don't see where somebody go push you past your domoto before. You know go suppose tell the person say no, this one no be my domoto. Make una carry me go back. Now some people now don't they let us they understand. They say like this waiting this man I go see, because the people will be say they involved for this matter, there no be anyhow people apart from Chief Sunday Igboho is still involved. The president, though the time we then talk say in talk this matter, our president now for this Obodo Nigeria never become a president by that time, but now the president, the man come become the president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now this man now they come to say now only Chief Sunday Igboho see they drag you. What of if this president come put a matter, that means say hey, this man where you go find yourself, now only God now he go fit judge am. Now everybody don't say yes. Now waiting with the talk be that Chief Sunday Igboho no be person wey be say you fit use to play. Chief Sunday Igboho no be person wey be say people go just talk about it anyhow. You don't forget wetin this man don't do for all the people, for most especially for this Yoruba land. When be say then they attack this Yoruba people for everywhere, for Igangan, for inside Ilora, wey just happen. For all those places with that town that time, we then go attack them for Iwere Ile. So you know how many people wey be say Chief Sunday Igboho don help you, wey be say if dem call you say make you come help people, you no go come outside. Instead you go even dey sell the people to people wey be say go give them money, wey be say you go collect money, because now people don talk am tire. Say this man in position, na him na him suppose dey do wetin Chief Sunday Igboho dey do. Now everybody don't come outside as lawyer, as the court don't give the final judgment. Say this man, hey, now only God, now he go save you. Now only God, now he go help you onto this one where you don't put your hand. Now, make una no forget say now 4 people they don't talk that part. Say the people were involved. Say make una no forget say that COS to the governor of Lagos State, where they call Governor Sanwo-Olu. That man now himself they involved onto this matter. Yes, so and now the judgment we one day on ground, my brother, my sister, no be small something. No, I know say, but now all the follower, all the boys of Iba Gani Adams, then go they think say, hey God, which kind thing be this? Like play, like a play, like a joke, like a joke. It be like say our oga go jail. Now, because this matter now waiting that they call defamation of character. Now the matter don't solve. We be say as court don't give their own judgment, they can't give Iba Gani Adams 30 days. Then just adjourn the case to 30 days. Within that 30 days, he go see appear for court. If you like, make it say he no go appear. See, then go judge the matter for him back. And then if then judge the matter for him back, na that one, na he go lewu. He go lewu gidi. Now so everybody come to say, hey, Iba Gani Adams, see waiting, you come pull yourself. You to say you don't come outside say come talk something say abeg you all this thing wey been happen o na play like play o na just misyan of the mantle of the misplace of the tongue or the misplace of a yarning. No, any which way if be wan use am people go understand say okay. Because if Sunday go wey we know and the Yoruba people wey we know, then they easily they forgive and they easily they forget. They feel no forget but they go still forgive you. And then before you know wetin, the matter don die. But the level where e dey now, oh, my brother, my sister, no going back. Na so e come be unto this one. Na wetin dey reach us be this one. Wey I come say make I come carry give una. Alright, my people, na so e come be unto this level. Oh, make una continue to dey support us, dey share, dey subscribe, and to dey like this channel. I thank una well. Una bye for now.